Welcome to the ultimate guide to the ZoomSphere overall dashboard. In this video, I'll be breaking down some of the key features, showing you how it works, and giving you some of my top tips on how to get the most out of your overall dashboard. Plus, we'll highlight some hidden tricks to make sure that you're making the most of your efficiency. Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's start with a little bit of a preface. What is this overall dashboard I'm referring to? The overall dashboard is your all-in-one hub for managing multiple schedulers in one place within ZoomSphere. So if you're someone who's handling content or projects for multiple different clients, then this is a lifesaver. Bit of a pro tip, the overall dashboard in ZoomSphere only activates once you have more than one scheduler connected. Now let's hop into some of the key features for the overall dashboard. Number 1, observe posts scheduled for today and tomorrow. The overall dashboard allows for a streamlined view of any posts you have scheduled for today or tomorrow, no matter their status. You can also monitor the number of posts going out today or tomorrow. This ensures that you stay on top of your immediate publishing schedule, while simultaneously allowing you to monitor upcoming deadlines and ensure that your campaigns across schedulers are running according to their program without having to hop into each individual one. This focus view also makes it really easy to identify any overlaps of content or big gaps. Number 2, review and approve pending posts. Pending posts are organized for a quick review, enabling you to approve them directly from your dashboard. Now, this element of this feature is an absolute dream for managers. Let's take a quick look at where you can see that status in your dashboard. On the left-hand side of your posts, you'll see a color that represents the status of that post. So if you utilize ZoomSphere's default settings, your light blue will, for example, mean in progress, where your orange might mean to approve. If you have, however, altered your status colors for a specific scheduler or for your company overall, you'll be able to resonate these colors with the status of the posts. This is a great way to track how effective your team is in terms of achieving deadlines, or where you might be experiencing some gaps or delays as a team or individual. Now, say for example, you've had a look at your content and you're ready to approve in one shot. In the overall dashboard, simply go to the posts to approve column and click on the approve buttons. For posts that might require a little bit of an edit or tweak, you can simply click into the posts from this view as well. This flexibility helps you ensure that your approvals are efficient and thorough, helping you maintain the consistency and the quality of your content. Number 3, monitor workflow manager cards that have been assigned to you. The workflow manager integration keeps all assigned workflow cards visible to you in your overall dashboard, so you're always aware of what needs your attention. Whether it's creating new content, reviewing drafts, or finalizing approvals, these cards provide a centralized way of keeping track of your responsibilities. This feature helps reduce the risk of overlooked cards and makes sure that your projects keep running smoothly. And number 4, click to easily access specific details about your posts or workflow cards. Every post and workflow manager card in the overall dashboard is clickable, providing instant access to detailed information. This allows you to edit, comment, or take action without switching between the schedulers themselves. Another pro tip here, when navigating the overall dashboard, you'll notice that the posts have little writing at the top. This is actually to showcase which workspace and which scheduler the content is in. That way it's super easy to see which posts belong to which clients, and if you want to click through to the workspace or the scheduler itself, those are also clickable. Now, why is this overall dashboard a game changer? If you're managing multiple schedulers, the overall dashboard streamlines your workflow, keeps you organized, and helps you avoid mistakes. Are you ready to unlock your full potential with the overall dashboard? Check out our detailed help article linked in the description below for a couple more pro tips, and leave your questions in the comments as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more videos from ZoomSphere. Make sure to sign up for your free trial over on ZoomSphere.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!